Hey friends, Mokarano here. Just turned onto Ranch Road 335 out of Barkdale, Texas. Anyway, let's get going. This is a fantastic road. I wasn't planning to ride it today, but oh my goodness, here we are, right? So, thanks for joining me, and let's go have some fun. Get my visor down. You know, this road starts off pretty benign. And of course, beautiful. The little road that, not little. Anyway, road like this one. Ranch Road 337 out of Lakey. I stopped at the motorcycle stop to take a break. And then came up 55, Camp Wood, and then Barkdale, and then turned right onto this road here. And it's a beautiful day today. It really is. Like I said, I wasn't planning to ride this much. I did a video earlier on let's see, Highway 39, I guess you call it Highway 39, out of Hunt, Texas. I rode that to the end until I got to 187. And anyway, real nice road. So watch that video if you can find it. So anyway, I get to 187, and you know, Vanderpool's to the left, and maybe 20 miles down the road, I think it was. So I said, why not go to Vanderpool? I usually end up Vanderpool anyway. All roads lead to Vanderpool. So, stopped at the Los Maples Country Store for a break. Didn't record that video because the road wasn't that exciting until you got closer to Vanderpool, and then it started looking good, feeling good. So anyway, and then from there I thought, hey, I am so close to Lakey, and there's the mountain, and it's really good riding. And so went over the mountain, got behind this guy on a Harley, and which was kind of cool. And he was obviously a good rider. And it didn't mind me getting real close to him because I wanted to video him going through the mountain. So when that was done, he was a good sport and didn't seem to mind. And so we hooked up at motorcycle stop and said, "Hey, howdy, and sorry for dogging you, but I was videoing you." And he's like, "No problem at all, man." And so gave him the YouTube channel name, Mokarano, and told him he'd be on YouTube to look it up. So, very nice guy. I think he lives in Kerrville too, if I'm not mistaken, so we'll probably see each other again. It's a small world. Look at this. I have no idea what this place is. Broken glass on the top of the wall there, like I don't know, something you'd see in Mexico or something. I don't know, but apparently they think somebody's dying to get in there. I don't know. Bring a little hammer, chip off the glass, throw a rug over, whatever, blanket, crawl over the fence. I mean, how hard is that? I don't know what the point is of all the glass. But anyway, we're on 335. Look at this. Woo! This is fun stuff right here. And it gets even more better. It just is up and down, literally like a roller coaster. Aren't you lucky to be riding with me on 335 today? Yeah, you are. And I'm lucky to have you. Now, if memory serves, and it usually doesn't, but if my limited memory serves, there is a one-lane crossing up here in a couple places, and the first one's a little rough. It's kind of rocky, going over a bridge or something, if I remember correctly. And it's like, whoa, boy. Now you're thinking, well, I don't know, Mokarano, this is, the road doesn't seem all that hairy, like you're saying. Believe me, it is. It is. Oh, look at my Harley buddies. Hey, Harley buddies. Woo! They just had some good times. They did. They certainly did. Hey, listen, you're on a motorcycle out here in Texas Hill Country, you are having a good time. I don't care what you're on. And if you don't have a bike, I suggest you, here we are. I say, whoa. Nice handful of brakes. Look, Ma, going across a real bumpy, gravelly road. Help, help. Wasn't that bad. All in a day's work. Now here's another spot up here, I know, but it's not bad. It's just got cones. Smooth road. I don't know what they're doing. Look at that view. Look at those rocks. Wow. The mountains. Oh, kayaking. Wow, good choice, man. Another couple motorcycles. Hello, boys. Having fun? You know you are. Yeah, I saw these guys. Earlier, actually, at the Los Maples Country Store. I did. And they headed over the mountain towards Lakey. And so once they got to Lakey, I don't know if they stopped at the motorcycle stop at all or just kept going, but I will bet that they went the direction I'm going right now, and they are on their way back, I think. Seems logical. Maybe not. Maybe they did something different. I don't know. Whatever. Do I care? Not much. So here we are on Ranch Road 335, which I think personally is a bodacious road. And I think the best of the Three Sisters. That's my opinion. A little bumpy right here. But oh my goodness, what a view. What a road, what a view. Hey, don't worry. It's gonna get exciting in a little bit. Right now we're just cruising. And you know what? If you've never been on this road before, you'd think, okay, yeah, just another road. You know, a little up and down, a little left and right, so what? Well, it's a hoot, let me tell you. That's why we're on it. Think I'd take you down a bad road? No. Mokarano would not do that. Well, not very often, anyway. But let's face it, here in Texas Hill Country, a so-called bad road is like, you know, like 1,000 times better than the best road in Florida. where I'm from. Southwest Florida to be exact. Little Englewood, Florida. Hey, shout out to Englewood, Florida. Nice little town. But you can keep it. Compared to this, oh please. Please. It depends on what you like, right? Everybody likes different stuff. If you're well-heeled, have a little bit of money, build yourself a nice house, buy a nice boat, go out to eat all the time, hey, life is good for you in Englewood, Florida. But wouldn't you rather be on a motorcycle like this in Texas Hill Country on Ranch Road 335? Oh, sure you would. Don't lie to yourself. I'd rather be on a tricycle on this road than riding in Florida. Yeah, I said it. Don't be a hater. But it's true. Man, look at this greenery. Everything is green in Texas right now. Just kind of hugs the road right in through here. Gives you a little hug, because there's going to be some super cool riding up ahead. There's a sign. Hey, wait a minute. I think that said Farm Ranch or Farm Market. That's what it said, Farm Market. I get it confused. It's Ranch Road or Farm Market or whatever. Okay, Farm Market. I'm sorry. Farm, maybe Farm to Market. I'm saying it correctly. Anyway, it's 335. Just remember that, 335. It is a most wonderful road. Part of the Three Sisters, or the Twisted Sisters, if you'd like to call it that instead. Oh, what a roller coaster. Man, we went up over that hill. That felt really fine. Ooh, man, it just drops off to our left. I wish I could show it to you, but well, I can't. I'm riding. Gotta look where I'm going. But it is absolutely beautiful here. The view. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Nice place to stop for a little look-see. Uh-oh. Somebody gonna cross my path? I don't want no crossing my path. Woo! Beautiful. Yeah. Nice place to take a break. You don't mind the sun. It's a little hot. Yeah, getting that water like that. Oh, it'd feel good. Feel good. You know what? I think if I was on a bike with hard bags and I was all prepared, had my go jump in the river clothes on, or swimsuit, whatever, man, that'd be a good place to change. Go jump in the river. It would. Here we are, some nice ups and downs. Hasn't gotten too crazy yet. But oh my. It's like a roller coaster up here, actually. Except you're not in a little car screaming. You're on a motorcycle screaming. Ah! My wife said, whatever you do when you're riding, don't scream like a girl. Can you believe that? Don't scream like a girl. Oh, here we go. Hey, if you're going to scream like a girl, this is the place to do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was sweet. I promise I won't scream like a girl. Unless a girl screams just like me, and then, hey, that's just a coincidence. What can I do about that? Nothing. So here we're riding on the edge. Oh, yeah, baby. And down we go, and up we go. I just like that stuff right there, I just do. I think I'll shift into 6th. Mosey on through this patch. Yeah, the road's rough. A little bit rough. You got a bike with good suspension. I mean, just modern adjustable suspension. You're not going to feel it as much as maybe I do on my suspenders. Which, when I get some money, I will change. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, that right there was fun. And up we go. Squiggly line sign, I like those. Oh yeah, look at this, look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! We just give it a little throttle so we can get up the hill, and then another one. Oh yeah. Ah, just amazing road. Look at this. I'd love to show you what it looks like on the right, because it is beautiful down there. There's a river, blue river down there, all the rocks, and gosh, you're not near anybody out here, but oh man, it'd be nice to live out here, I think. Little, maybe too remote, if that's possible. I think it is, maybe. But here we got a dip, and so, but that said, it is just so neat. Now, I'd want to live, on one end or the other of this, not in the middle. Just cause. So I could ride the whole length of it instead of just half of it all the time. Man, off camber. Interesting. An off camber corner. You don't see that much around here. And I'm not going so fast that it's a problem. Ooh, look at that. See that up there? You can see where the road goes, even though you can't see it yet. Now you can. We just carve through here like a fighter jet. Yeah, we do. Man, look at that rock wall to the left. A lot of rock. Reminds me of Tennessee a little bit, except it'd be weeping water in Tennessee. Just the way it is. Okay, here we go down again. I gotta speed up a little bit. Forgive me. Oh yeah. Oh. Whew. Feel those G's. Yeah. Look at that view ahead. Oh man. I gotta watch where I'm going, but you guys can take in the view. That's just all kinds of nice. Yeah, it is. Road may flood. Okay, why did you post the sign way up at the top? Not gonna flood up there. Gonna flood right there. Or here. Ah, maybe to give you a chance to slow down before you hit it. Before you hit 5 feet of water. Woo! Look at this. Gorgeous. Got a guardrail around here. They don't want you to share the field down there. If you decide you want to go off on a corner and share the field, they want to keep you in. That's nice of them, right? Although I wouldn't fancy hitting that guardrail on a bike. Oh no, that's why I'm not racing through here. Woo, look at this. Yeah. Oh, Oh, that's cool. Now when there's a truck sign pointed down, oh, you know, you got something steep up ahead. You just know. Now, I don't know why you'd want to be in a truck on this road, but you know, hey, that looked like a box truck icon. I could see that. You know, air conditioning truck or something like that. Anyway, I wouldn't want to be in a truck on this. Hey, I wouldn't want to be in a truck anywhere. I want to be on a motorcycle. Woo! Look at this. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What's going on? Somebody's got a handful of throttle. Whee! Well, not a handful. Little bit. Oh, yeah. Down we go. Oh! It's a nice little dip. We're just cruising. 335. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And down we go and up we go. Oh man, that's fun. Woo! I'm loving it. Sorry about your luck. You're not on a bike. Well, next best thing is riding with me, right? And down we go. Oh, yeah, that was good. That was a good one. You get that suspension compressed at the bottom. And then up ahead, look at that mountain. Had a big bug whack me on the shoulder. Okay, here we go again, and down we go. Oh, that was good. That was so good. And a little bit more. Stay on the throttle. Get up. Yeah. Man, I wish I could look around for you. You could see the view a little bit better off to my right, but I can't. Just imagine, if you would. That's real nice, because it is. $25, you say? All right, I believe you. Kinda, sorta. Nah, I don't believe you. Oh. Something white on the road. I don't know what it is. Doesn't look friendly. Man, is this not a fun road or what? Look at this. Look at this. Oh man, look at how those things just seem to bunch up visually. Closer you get to them, they just kind of bunch up. I like it. And another downhill with a turn at the end. I don't know. My hat's off to whoever designed this road. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Woo! And up we go. Yeah, whoever designed this road is... gosh, they need a trophy, and whoever worked on it. Because this is just an incredible road. So if you're not feeling good about something in your life, and you're on a motorcycle on 335, man, you're not going to be thinking too many negative thoughts for very long. You're going to be having so much fun. Look at this. Another downhill. Oh, yeah. I sure do like it. Now it looks like the road's opening up a little bit. And off to the right, some huge hills, mountains, whatever you want to call them. And gosh, the view. I say it over and over and over, but man, the view on this road is just sweet. Just cruising. Downshift a little bit here. What do we have? Oh, pretty. Oh, and pretty bumpy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't know if I'd want to take it much faster than that. Not on this thing. That's pretty bumpy. 25-mile-an-hour section here. We'll respect that a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. You never know. I mean, it could really be 25-mile-an-hour curve. Go downshift a little bit more, a little front brake. You know, tiptoe through here because I don't know this road very well. I'm not too scared of it, but you know, so downshift one more time. Yeah, you mix in not knowing the road and a little bit of gravel and too much speed, and you got a recipe for it. Disaster. We don't want that. Here we go. 35-mile-an-hour curve at oops, maybe a little bit more than that. Little front brake, didn't need it. The house off to our right. I don't know if it's abandoned or somebody in it, but wow, again, heck of a drive to the hardware store or the grocery store. Yeah, we're out of the big whoops. Just on a nice lazy corner, killing butterflies. Oh, I shifted into 7th. I don't have a 7th gear. I do it all the time. Now that's at Ranch Road, 335. What is my mind playing tricks on me? I thought it said Farm to Market Road on one sign. I thought it was Ranch Road. Anyway, that sign says Ranch Road. I'm confused. Again, I'll figure it out when I get home. 335. Let's just call it that. Oh, by the way, ever watch my videos and look at the mirrors? Look at that. Crystal clear. It's a Blackbird. And we are doing maybe a eensy-weensy bit over the speed limit. I'm not saying for sure, but we might. And look at the crystal clear mirrors. That's what I like about this bike. You can see like a quarter mile behind me easily, regardless of the speed I'm going. Of course, if I'm going real fast, oh, I never do that, maybe, in theory. But if I'm going real fast, I don't spend a lot of time looking at my rearview mirrors, actually. Nope. Anyway, look. Hey. Junction 41. We made it. Yay. Epic. I love that road. I love it. Look at the motorcycles up here. You can see them. So I am going to stop this video and say goodbye for this one. Then I'm going to pick it up probably 1341 on the way home, just because. And so anyway, let me sign off. Bye. And hope you had a good time. I know I did. Talk to you later. Bye.